Hey LJ, this is Nate with Wash Sensei. Just wanted to give you this quick site review, kind of go over a couple things to help you rank better online and outrank the competition. Normally what we go over would be content, citations, and backlinks, and we'll get into what all of those are. I want to start off with saying your site looks great, but I like to start with content because with Google, content is king. Google likes to see about 1,500 words on this homepage and about 500 to 750 words on your back pages so that you can organically fit those keyword phrases that people are looking for into the content on your page. Google doesn't really see all the pictures. There are ways to hide some keywords behind the pictures and things like that, but the fastest and easiest way to get ranked on Google is to have those organic keywords in the actual content on your page. If we go over here and look, this is one of the other guys that I found. Personal opinion, your site looks way better than theirs does. And they're pretty short on content too, so they'd be super easy to beat out. Here's another one that I found. Good looking site, but again, not a ton of content on there. They do probably have, I'd guess, around 1,000 words, but they're still short of that 1,500 word mark. So not that hard to beat out. And I was looking earlier, you're actually ranked 6th for the search phrase that I put in, where these guys, I think the first guy was 4th and these guys are 5th, so there's a couple directories above that, but those are not typically that hard to outrank because Google gives more power to the local business. But Ahrefs is a tool that we use to look up keywords and things like that. Right now, you're not showing up organically for any keywords on the site, so Google's not finding you, other than I did notice that you are up in the map pack already. But if we go over here and look, you can see this is fourseasonservices.com, and this is one of their back pages. So this page itself doesn't really have any keywords on it. But if you go to their main site, and if I go here and do the domain with all of its subdomains, then you're going to see that number should drastically change, and that's why they're getting their power. They've got 49 organic keywords showing up throughout their site. So they're getting the power to that back page because of the other pages that they have. If you go over here and look, these guys are showing for 619 keywords, and we can go in and see what those are. And, like window cleaning, Madison, Wisconsin, there's 100 searches a month for that keyword, and they're in the 11th spot, which is right at the top of the second page for this particular phrase. They're getting about 2 visits a month to their site because of it. I like seeing those type of keywords, gutter cleaning Madison, 150 searches a month. They're at the bottom of the second page. They're getting maybe 1 click to their website every 2 months from that. But those are the type of keywords that I like to see. I call them our generic keywords because they say what you do and where you do it. Because that's the type of stuff that people are going to type in if they're looking for a company to come out and do that service, but they don't know what company they're looking for. And that's the people that we want to find you. So the other thing is the citations. This right here is the Google Map Pack, and citations are what help you get there. There are some other factors in that, but citations are one of the biggest ones, and as you can see, you're right here at the top, so that's great. A lot of times you'll see some ads up at the top, and then you go right into the Map Pack, and a lot of times people will click right here. If they find what they want, they'll do it right here in this Map Pack and not even go down here. But if you look in the organic stuff, there are some directories and things like that first. And then you get into the, this guy's 4th, this guy's 5th, and you're actually showing up 7th when I typed in pressure washing in your city. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce that. But, so the fact that you're already right here is great. But what a citation is, it's your business name, address, and phone number listed in multiple directories across the internet, such as Yellow Pages, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Merchant Circle. There's hundreds and hundreds of them out there. We use a tool called Whitespark to look those up. Currently, you have 12 citations. Four Seasons is coming up with 21, and they may have other citations that are outside of this area because of the fact it looks like they're a bigger company with several back pages. And then these guys only have 9. But one of the things that we do when we start working with somebody on their marketing is we'll go in and add about 100 to 200 citations to get you up there in that map pack as quickly as possible and make sure these guys don't catch up with you. So the fact that you're already number one there is awesome. You should be getting quite a bit of traffic from that alone. The third thing would be your backlinks. And right now you're not showing up for any backlinks, but a backlink is any website that points back to you. So any other website that you go to, if there's a button, a picture, a phrase, something where you can click and it takes them to your website, that is what a backlink is. It's kind of a popularity contest. The more backlinks you have, the more popular Google thinks you are and the more authority that they give you, because getting backlinks from some of these pages, it does pass some of their authority to you to make your site a more authoritative site. And Google's going to give you more power that way. If we go over here and look, Four Seasons, they've got 20 backlinks. These guys here have 46. One thing that we can do is go in here and look at the backlinks that they have. And like this is a blog comment. That's one of the ways you can get your backlinks, is go in and find blogs that are related to pressure washing and what you do. It is best to keep those industry specific and relevant to what you do, because those are the sites that are going to give you more authority for your industry. But you can go in and read up some articles on some pressure washing blogs, post some comments on there, leave a link back to your site. But one of the things that we can do, because of the tools that we have, is we can go look at all of these places that they have their backlinks and try to get you backlinks on the same pages, as long as it's a page that we want to have. Not all backlinks are created equal. You don't want to get a bunch of spammy backlinks on there. So we go in and look at the authority of these pages and try to get you links on those same pages. And then we go out and find some more so you can beat these guys out. But I call it the copycat method. Copy the guy that's winning and just go from there, finding some stuff on our own to outrank them. But that is my quick overview for you. Just a little recap. You want to have about 1,500 words on your home page and about 500 to 750 on those back pages, so that you can get those search phrases in there organically into the content on your page. Citations, go out there and get in as many of those directories as you can. It's not hard to do. It just takes a lot of time to track down the directories, sign up for them, get the verification email, go back in your email, click it, go back to the site, put your information in. Just takes a lot of time to do it. For your backlinks, some of your citations will give you backlinks. There's blog commenting that can do lots and lots of ways to do it. It just takes a lot of time. If you got any questions, need any help, feel free to reach out. And thank you for your time.